Good morning. This is Dean D. Davison. I am a 19-year firefighter. I'm also a person running for the House of Delegates in the 19th District here in Virginia. What I'm asking today is that you support firefighters' health and safety, and you call your delegate and your state senator and have them support Senate Bill 1030. This will allow cancers that are currently not in the line of duty death issues to be added to it, such as colon cancer and testicular cancer, which are known to occur with firefighters. Firefighters have a much higher risk of sustaining cancer in their job. When you call 911, you get those EMTs and firefighters coming to your house without hesitation. Please support them by contacting your legislature right now and asking them to vote yes for this bill. You can also follow me on my path to become in the House Delegates 19th District delegate by going to davisonfordelegate.com. That's davisonfordelegate.com. Follow along when I go on trail where I'll be, and I'll be collecting signatures soon in the Bedford area. So please keep an eye out for that information. I appreciate you helping our fellow firefighters, and thank you very much for your time. This is Dean Davison. I approve this message.